HomePath Honest Review, my real user experience with Fannie Maes foreclosure listings. Looking for affordable real estate options? HomePath offers Fannie Mae foreclosure listings, and I explored it firsthand. Here's my honest review. Most people assume foreclosure homes are risky or complicated to buy. The surprising truth is HomePath simplifies the process, offering detailed property listings, financing options, and even incentives for first-time buyers. Creating an account is free and straightforward. Once logged in, you can search by location, price, or property type. Each listing includes photos, property details, estimated monthly payments, and local market info. I found this transparency helpful for making informed decisions. One standout feature is HomePath's financing support. Fannie Mae provides competitive mortgage rates, and certain homes qualify for HomePath renovation loans, allowing buyers to finance repairs as part of the purchase. For first-time buyers, discounts up to 3% on closing costs can make a significant difference. Navigating the bidding process is smooth. Offers are submitted online, and the system provides clear timelines for response. Customer support is responsive and explains foreclosure-specific considerations like property condition and occupancy status. The only drawback is that some properties need significant repairs, so budgeting for renovations is essential. Also, listings can move fast in competitive markets, so quick decision-making is necessary. In conclusion, HomePath is a valuable tool for buyers seeking affordable homes with transparent listings and financing options. If you're prepared for potential repairs and act decisively, HomePath can be a practical way to invest in property and access Fannie Mae opportunities.